Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update or install the new version of Blender. Go to blender.org. Here on the top click on download. If you are using other versions you can download it from here. By default I am using Windows, so download Blender. Currently it is 4.5 LTS. LTS means long-term support. So always download the LTS version to minimize the bugs and errors in the Blender. Download Blender. After downloading, click on it. Click on next, install. Finish. Now let's open the Blender file. Blender 4.5. If you already installed any other versions of Blender, it will ask you to import Blender 4.3 preferences. It means if you download and install any add-on in the previous version, it will import all the add-ons to this new Blender version. Here you can choose the language, the theme, and if you are coming from any other software like Maya or any other industry compatible software, you can choose this. All the shortcut keys will change according to that. Here you can select the mouse and you can choose what the spacebar will do in the software. I recommend using the default settings. If you already have any add-ons that you want to import it, you can use this option, or else you can click on this. I'm using this. It will take some time to load. Here in the corner you can see we are using 4.5 version of Blender, and here all my add-ons from the previous version migrated to this version. In the next video we will discuss how to download previous versions of Blender. To follow up any tutorial that you are following,